Back in. Officer Hill.
If I go off for a few minutes, the only people I have on the screen are no POs. Everybody else needs offers.
Only no POs should be Downer. Everyone else. Oh.
No.
Well.
Reed. Detana Reed.
Deontay. Oh, Deontay.
Rashid Robinson. Shamika Robinson.
No, the officer is here for Shamika Robinson, and the officer is here for Rashid Robinson.
Okay. So then it's just the one.
Just Deontay Reed and Downer.
I spoke to Mr. Downer.
Ms. Dotson, fix your video. Okay, great. Okay. Let me see who this is. Okay, is this you, Ms. Robinson?
Yes.
Okay, great. Don't leave it just like it is. Let me just sign it in. Let me sign it in. Robinson. Williams. And your first name is, what's your first name?
Janelle, Janelle.
Okay, I got you. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Do not touch your phone. Don't touch nothing. Don't answer a call, a text, or let dial it. They can kick you back out and we can lose you. Be mindful you're in court. All noise background for me. And I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 24. I do believe it is in this breakout room 26.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, no reading, talking, smoking, walking around, drinking, driving, doing anything that would be disrespectful to the court. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
This is the People versus Willin Ross, ticket number P130163. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Corporal Bennett.
What?
Corporal Bennett, you want to say your name for the record? You got to unmute yourself. All right, go ahead, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Ross. Ms. Ross has, in fact, valid insurance and valid registration. I have seen them and I have the dates.
Corporal Bennett, you want to say your name?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Corporal Daryl Bennett. I didn't know I was here for Ms. Ross. I thought it was for Ms. Robinson.
You are, but you're also here for Ms. Ross.
Oh, didn't know nothing about that one, Your Honor, but Officer Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
Ms. Ross, you want to unmute yourself, say your name, ma'am? On the bottom left-hand corner. Look on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Tap the screen. There's a microphone in the bottom left. Thank you. Say your name, please.
Gwendolyn Diana Ross.
All right. Mr. Berry, you stipulate the probable cause?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice as Ms. Ross has provided valid documentation. Good luck to you, Ms. Ross. Have a good holiday, ma'am.
Y'all have a good holiday too, and thank you very much.
Thank you. Corporal Bennett, you can go back in the breakout room for Shamika Robinson.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I can hang up.
You can hang up. This is the People versus Trinity Ray. Ticket number P1248154, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning. Please say your name for the record.
Yes, it's Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Ray. I spoke with Ms. Ray, Your Honor. I'm sorry. The charge is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive her vehicle. But I don't have an offer. I'm not sure.
The offer is a 3-month delayed sentence.
Yes, yes. And that, we discussed that matter. Are you willing to accept that offer, Miss Ray?
This is for the 90 days suspension,
Yes.
and then, okay. Yes.
Right hand, Ms. Ray. Your other hand, your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Have you had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry in private about your case and your rights?
I have briefly.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No,
You're pleading of your own free will?
I am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
Saying that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yeah.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of September 23rd, 2021 at 7:07 p.m. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 2013 Nissan vehicle?
Yes.
Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
And was that vehicle stopped by the police in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Berry?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Of course, also satisfied with the factual basis, will accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence. So, Ms. Ray, you're gonna have to pay a fine of $200. You can't get any more tickets or citations, essentially no further police contact. If you pay the $200, you have no further police contact. You will come back on March 15th at 8:35. This will be dismissed off your record. Did you have any questions?
No.
So you are all set, ma'am. Have a good holiday.
Mr. Dean, why did you come out your breakout room? Mr. Dean.
He's ready too.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, this is the People versus Ira Dodson. Ticket number P1358398. Count 1, driver unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. On behalf of Ms. Dodson, state your full name.
Good morning, my name is Ira Dodson.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry, so it's just only one count.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Berry, how's the client wish to proceed?
Yes. She has in fact her valid registration, Your Honor. I have seen it, and respectfully, we have this matter dismissed for valid documents.
You stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Berry?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Dodson. Good luck to you and have a good holiday, ma'am.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. This is the People versus Emmanuel Dean. Ticket number P1206847, count 1, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on me.
Let Mr. Berry go first, and then Mr. Dean, you can say your name.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Dean. State your full name, Mr. Dean.
Emmanuel Dean.
Your Honor, Mr. Dean has a valid driver's license that I have seen. Respectfully, we seek dismissal.
He showed you a driver's license?
Yes, yes, driver's license. It expires 3/4/26.
Give me 1 second, okay?
Certainly, of course.
You stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Mr. Dean, good luck to you, sir.
Mr. Dean, your case matter was dismissed.
Thank you.
Okay, you can leave.
Thank you. Y'all have a good one.
Double check. Check it out.
Your Honor.
Yeah.
So Rashid Robinson, he's here for trial. It's no license and no registration. He would plead to fail to display. I don't know if that's the offer or not.
I don't think we have an offer on it, but yeah, it's fine. I'm sure it's fine.
I think I'm gonna get called out here like in a second, so we can wait.
That's fine.
All right, thank you.
So Mr. Berry can do it. We'll call. You can bring out Rashid Robinson and officer. We'll bring out Officer Hale.
Rashid Robinson, Officer Hale.
And then we can also bring out Deontay Reed because that officer hasn't appeared. And
Yeah. Okay.
bring out Nehemiah Downer and Mr. Berry.
Okay.
You don't mind?
No, of course not.
Yeah, Dante Reed and who else? Downer.
Everyone is out except for Deontay Reed.
Deontay Reed, and you said one more. Okay, I got down.
Yeah, he's here. Just Deontay Reed. I don't know why he's not coming out.
And let me see.
We got everybody else.
Everybody is out. Mr. Robinson, turn on your video. Is everyone out?
Yep, give me 1 second.
Judge, is everyone out that you wanted to come out?
Just not Deontay Reed, but I mean, we can do these two.
Okay, 36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, you can't be walking around, Mr. Robinson, reading, talking.
Yeah, I'm going to my office now.
Reading, talking, eating, sleeping, driving. When your name is called, please unmute your devices if muted and give your uninvited attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
That way. This is the People versus Nehemiah Downer, ticket number P1339381, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, expired plates, count 3, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person, ticket number P1339394, count 1, failed to stop upon request. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Downer. State your full name, Mr. Downer.
Nehemiah Mario Downer.
Your Honor, there being no officer, this is the date and time set for trial. Respectfully, we seek dismissal of these matters.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice as the officer has failed to appear. You are all set, Mr. Downer. Have a good holiday, sir.
Thank you, you too, Judge.
Thank you, sir. All right, this is the People versus Rashid Robinson. Did you have Rashid? Rashid Robinson, ticket number P1283245. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Robinson. State your full name, Mr. Robinson.
Rashid Robinson.
Your Honor, this is the date and time set for trial. There, no officer having appeared. Respectfully, we seek dismissal.
The officer is here. I think he was gonna take a plea to bail to display. Officer Hale, can you say your name for the record?
Police Officer Kyle Hale, badge 868, Detroit Police Department.
It's my understanding, Mr. Robinson, you spoke to Mr. Roki and you're willing to take an offer to bail to display?
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Like, why you had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki, the attorney, in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to November 24th, 2021 at 12:53 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Linden and Davidson in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2006 Pontiac vehicle?
Yes.
Had you failed to display a valid operator's license that was not in your person?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Berry?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. Will you stipulate the probable cause as to count 2 to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
It's dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Mr. Robinson, can you have that fine paid by January 11th?
Yeah, I can have it paid.
Do you have any questions, sir?
No, that'll be all.
Okay, so you're all set, sir. Good luck to you. Have a good holiday.
Thank you, too.
Thank you. Officer Hill, thank you very much, sir. I think that, are you on anything else?
Well,
I think that's it.
do we have?
Hold on, Mr.